Okay, so in today's sets of notes, we're talking about cross sections, and our essential question is, what does it mean to be a cross section? Okay, a cross section is the intersection of a solid and a plane. So remember we talked about planes back in first semester. It's like a flat shape that goes on forever. Okay, the end result is a two-dimensional shape. Okay, so here's an example of a cross section. If we take a look at the cube, depending on how its plane is going through it, it can end up with three different shapes. You can end up, if you cut it straight through on a cube, you can get a square. If you do it through the opposite ends of the cube, you can end up with a rectangle. And if you slice it diagonally, but just through a corner, you end up with a triangle. So depending on the angle that it intersects the solid with, the cross section can change. Okay, so here's some practice. So if you take a look at this one, it's a pyramid with a hexagon base and it's cut straight through. So we need to figure out what shape is formed. This ends up being a hexagon. Okay, if I take a look at this one, if I look at the base, it's got 4 congruent sides and it's got right angles. So this is a square. Cutting it like that would end up with another square. Over here, I have a pentagonal prism split side to side. So if I look at the purple piece on the inside, it actually is making a rectangle. Over here, I have a cone that is split. The plane is going straight through it, and it ends up with a circle.